Namaste. Welcome to YBI Foundation. A quick overview of major regression models available in the Scikit-learn library. First up is linear regression. It's the most basic model, used for predicting a continuous target variable based on one or more predictors. Next, we have ridge regression. This model includes a regularization term to prevent overfitting, making it great for handling multicollinearity. Lasso regression is similar to ridge but uses L1 regularization, which can shrink some coefficients to zero, effectively performing feature selection. Then, there's elastic net, a combination of both ridge and lasso, balancing their regularization properties. Moving on, we have polynomial regression. It allows for nonlinear relationships by transforming the original features into polynomial features. The KNN regressor is a type of instance-based learning algorithm. Instead of building a model during the training phase, it memorizes the training dataset and makes predictions based on the data's proximity. For more complex data, there's support vector regression, SVR. It uses a hyperplane to predict continuous values, useful for high-dimensional data. And decision tree regression. This model splits the data into subsets based on feature values, creating a tree structure for predictions. Now let's understand about the ensemble models which use combination of other models for prediction. First up, the random forest regressor. This model uses an ensemble of decision trees to improve prediction accuracy and control overfitting. Next, we have the AdaBoost regressor. It combines multiple weak learners to form a strong predictive model, adjusting errors from previous models. The bagging regressor is another ensemble method that reduces variance by combining the predictions of multiple models trained on random subsets of the data. Extra trees regressor, or extremely randomized trees, is similar to random forest but introduces more randomness by selecting cut points at random. Gradient boosting regressor builds models sequentially, with each new model correcting the errors of the previous ones, making it highly effective for complex datasets. The stacking regressor combines multiple models using a meta model to improve predictions. It leverages the strengths of various models for better performance. Finally, the voting regressor. It averages the predictions of different models to produce a final prediction, making it robust and versatile. These models offer a range of options for tackling various regression tasks. Choose the one that best fits your data and needs. In summary, Scikit-learn offers a variety of regression models to handle different types of data and problems. Each has its strengths, so choose the one that best fits your data and goals. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick insights into machine learning with Scikit-learn. See you next time.